Does your scalp get itchy? Well, I have a one ingredient, no product, no buildup solution for locks. Hi. So today I will be sharing my green tea hair rinse recipe for locks. Make sure you wait until the end because I will actually reveal my recipe and my secret ingredient. Now, what about you guys? Do you drink green tea? Like, have you ever tried it? What do you think it tastes? Please comment below. So, what is all the hype with green tea? We'll talk about it all. And this remedy is based on my own personal research. So before you try anything, do your research and talk to your hair care professionals. But according to studies, green tea is beneficial for drinking and hair rinses. It actually has an antioxidant called EGCG that fights two hormones that slow hair growth. I will put a link for the studies in the description box. But that's why I use it, because I do have some scalp issues and nutrient issues. So I only use it once every 3 months, and it seems to help calm my scalp and boost sheen, all without adding any buildup. So I do want to take a moment to talk with you about Browni Locks and the 3 combs. It's a funny hair story that will come out February 2022, which is next month on Amazon, about a young girl's journey to locks. So now for my recipe. So what you want to do is steep a bag of organic green tea. Number 2, cool it to room temperature. Add the essential oils of your choice, and then you want to actually saturate your scalp with the mixture. Use the bagging method for 30 minutes and wash your hair thoroughly. Now, these are my special ingredients. I add turmeric oil. You're probably familiar with the spice that's used in a lot of Middle Eastern cuisine. Turmeric oil is made from that same root, and it has really powerful anti-inflammatory properties. So it really helps to reduce the inflammation on my scalp. I also add chamomile oil. It's also a great at reducing inflammation as well, and it just really helps my scalp to relax. And so I do see a dermatologist. So this, along with a good diet, is something that's kind of helped to keep my scalp calm when it does flare up or it gets really itchy. And then I also add rosemary oil. I add 1 drop of each of these oils. And with rosemary, it's just because it helps to improve your circulation, which basically helps make sure the nutrients get delivered to the place they're supposed to go. So, yep, I'm still braiding and banding, 2 years strong. What about you? Do you still braid and band? Please let me know in the comments below. So I'm spraying the mixture on my scalp, and actually on my locks as well, because this is kind of like a pre-poo. So I'm just saturating my scalp, especially the itchy area. So with my scalp, my crown is the area that itches, will flare up and itch. So I just use the whole mixture and get it saturated really well. Okay, next I use the bagging method. So I'm just using reduce, reuse, recycle. So I'm just using a plastic grocery bag, and I just make a little split in the front part of it, and I'm tying it, and this will just give my hair kind of like a little natural steam. And look, there you have it. So no more itching, my scalp is calm, and there is sheen. Just want to take a second to visit my website, brownilocks.com. There's a lot of positive lock merch. Thank you so much for watching.